In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Adobe Acrobat license. We'll be doing this directly from your Adobe account, and the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. If you want to confirm whether your Acrobat plan is active, check what kind of license you have, or view product details connected to your account. This is the area you'll need to use. To get started, go to your Adobe Acrobat homepage, make sure you're signed into the Adobe account connected to your Acrobat subscription or product access. If you use more than one Adobe account, it's a good idea to double check that you're in the correct one before moving on, since your license details will only appear under the account where the product is registered. Once you're on the Acrobat homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account menu where you can access settings and subscription-related information. From that menu, click on My Plan. This will take you into the account area where Adobe stores your plan and product details. Depending on your layout, this page may show subscription information, billing details, or product access options. Next, look at the left-hand column and click on Products. This section is where Adobe lists the products associated with your account. It's the most useful place for checking whether your Acrobat license is active and what type of plan or registration is currently linked to you. On the products page, you may also see a field where you can enter a serial number and click Register. That option is there if you need to register an additional product serial number. But if your goal is simply to check your current Adobe Acrobat license, this same section should display the license or product information already connected to your account. If you're on a paid plan, you should typically be able to find your product details here. If you're on a trial, you may not see a traditional serial number listed, and that's normal. Trial access usually appears differently from a fully paid license. As a final tip, if you don't see the license information you expected, confirm that you're signed into the right Adobe account and that the plan has been activated successfully. In many cases, that's the reason the details don't appear right away, and that's how to check your Adobe Acrobat license quickly through your Adobe account.